Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Alex of Patient Hands. I hope you're enjoying your quarantine and most importantly staying safe. This is how I'm spending mine. So today I'm going to show you how to play one of my all-time favorite songs on guitar, and that is Alesund by Sun Kil Moon. Now a few things to note before we get started. This is in a bit of a strange tuning. Mark of Sun Kil Moon plays it down in a C-sharp major tuning. I'm just going to simplify that a little bit for everyone. Also, he plays it on nylon string guitar, but my nylon string is in Montreal and I am in Saskatchewan, so I'll be playing it on this Martin steel string here and hoping for the best. I'll put links in the, I'll put timecode rather in the description so you can jump around between the various parts of this tutorial. And let's get started. So first things first is the tuning. Right now I'm in E standard A440 tuning, which I am never in. And neither should you. You should find what frequency your guitar likes and tune itself to itself, unless of course you're playing with other musicians and so forth. But anyways, I'm just going to show you this song in a D tuning, so we only have to down tune 3 of these strings, and I think that'll make everyone's life easier. So to start with, we got to take the E down to a D. I'm just going to be doing this by ear. Next we have to tune the G down to an E. That's pretty close. There we go. And next we take the high E down to a C sharp. So once again we have D, A, D, E, B, C sharp. So I'll start with the intro. I'm just going to play a bit of it for you, and then I'll walk you through how to play it. So this first part is open on the D string, and then 3 and 3 on the D and the C sharp strings. That is 4 and 1. And then 7, 7, 7, 5. And then open 7, 7, 12, 12, 12, 10. And then he does this cute little thing here on 8 and 7. And then plays this strange chord, which is on the 6th string, it's the 9th fret, the 10th fret on the 3rd string, and the 12th fret on the 1st string. So he just goes like this, and just plays variations of that same chord, starting on the 9th fret, and then 4, 7, open. And then he plays so instead of the major 7 intervals we had before, now we have this octave. So he plays open, and then 3 and 4 on the 3rd string and the 1st string. Sorry, 4th string and 1st string. And 7, 8, and then 8, 6 here. So he plays open, 7, 8, 12, 13, 10, 11, and then he plays that same variation just a fret up. And then that same chord again, but a fret up. So this time it's 10, 5, 8, open. And then he plays this little thing. So on the 4th string, play the 3rd fret, and then you go, so it's open 1, 3, 3 on the 2nd and 1st string. So 3, 1, open 1, 3, and then he goes. So that's 3rd fret of the 6th string, and then on the 5th string, 2, 3, 5, 7, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5. And then he plays this chord, which is just the same fretting on the 4th string, 2nd string, and 1st strings. starting on the 8th fret, 3rd, 12, and 7. And he picks it like a triplet. You can just pick really fast. And then the fun part. So the melody here is 11, 9, 11, 12, 11, 7, 9, 2, 4. And in between he's going, so that is 4th string, and then the same kind of triplet, starting on the 6, and then 2 and 1. And then he picks the open A and E strings, so triplet, 12, 11, triplet, 7, 9, triplet, 2, 4. Then the open A and E again, triplet, 4th fret here, and then these 2 strings open. The bass 6 and 5, so. Plays these little tremolo picking parts. And let's be honest, that's the only reason we're learning this song. So he starts on the 8th fret, 7th fret, 3, 5, 12, 10, 7, 8, 3, 5. So he starts picking it with his thumb, and then he introduces these bass strings with his thumb. Don't worry if you can't play this with all of your fingers here. You can pick it like this. Or something like that. You can make it up as you go. And then he plays this little phrase to end the intro. So it's 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. This chord here is open, 4, open 2, open 3, open 3, and then he just moves his ring finger up 1 string. And then in the live version before the verse, he plays this little pickup here. So, the verse is kind of in 2 parts, and it has 2 different picking patterns. The first one is simpler, and I'll show you that first. So it's just, I hope you can see this. So really slow. In the bass, we just have 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4. And if you're counting this in 6, 8, you're going to play a triplet here on the 2nd and 5th beats. And the triplet is going to involve the 5th string, the 2nd string, and the 1st string. So it's really slow. Now the second picking pattern is not really that difficult. It's 6, 5, 4, 3, 6, 4. It's the same triplets on the 2nd and 5. It just means that your first triplet happens on the 5th string, and your second one happens on the 6th string. What? Why? Sorry about that, my camera stopped recording for some reason. Picking up with the first part of the verse, we have here this B minor chord. It's just a B minor diatonic chord with the 3rd raised an octave. And he plays it with the first picking pattern, so it's... And then he plays this F sharp minor chord. So we have 9, 9, 12, 4, 4, 7, open, open, 4, switches to the second picking pattern on this D major chord. So once again, and then he just plays his little power chords here. So it's 4/4 open, 5/5, and 9/9. So once again, and then switch picking patterns to the second one. So you play this E here, and then the first picking pattern again, second again. I'll just play the bass. With the triplets. The second part of the verse is back down here on the 4th fret, this F sharp minor chord, but he switches to the second picking pattern. So again, 4, 5, 9, 5. And then he plays the bridge, which goes like this. This little harmonic here. So he's playing with the first picking pattern, he's playing 9/12 open, 5/9 open, 4/7 open, and then the first time he plays 2/4 open, 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 open. But the second time he skips that 2/4 chord. So he goes. Triplets here. And then he picks up the second part of the verse. I won't play that again. He then plays this part, the bridge, one more time before jumping into the chorus. So the chorus picking pattern is a little different. In the bass, it's the 6th string and the 3rd string. So 6, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 6, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3. And then the fretting here is, he's playing these E notes here, so it's just the 2nd fret of both of the D strings, and then the 3rd fret on the E string and the C sharp string. And then the second chord is so here he's picking out 6, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, and when he does this, he just takes his when he switches to the A, he takes his finger off the 2nd fret here, but he's also fretting the 1st fret on the C sharp string. So he's going, and then he goes up here. So in the bass, that's just 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, and then he goes down to 6, 4, 3, 6, 4, 3. And he's fretting up top, he's playing the 7th fret and 8th fret, and then the 8th fret and the 10th fret. And then he plays sort of like a second bridge in between the chorus and the second verse, and that goes like this. Back into the second part of the chorus. So once again, he plays the 5th fret of the 6th string, and then 5, 3, open, open on the 1st string. And the picking is just 6, 4, 3. With the triplet. And then up here. So that's just 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3. And then he's going 10 and 12, 10 open. Once again back here. Then he plays through the verse again and a second chorus, but I won't play those for you. Also, when I play this live, I kind of skip the outro coda that he does, and I just go back to that tremolo picking from the beginning because everybody seems to love that. So I just play... Sorry. And then I play this little variation on that ending here. I just come up to these chords from the chorus and go... And that's the end of the song. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know if you have any questions or corrections down in the comments. Please like and subscribe to hear more. Thanks for watching. Take care.